Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint and reach your goal. Making an argument to persuade people to follow where you would lead them is not so easy. Often, without telling you, they'll be wondering if you're solving the right problem. Get them that far and they'll have doubts about the direction of your solution. But you're not done yet, as even when you have the right direction, they're likely to think of the 101 reasons why it won't work in the situation you're trying to sort out. Further, we humans are more inclined to feelings, sentiment, and intuition than we are to the strict application of logic. It takes a significant amount more effort to construct a logical argument than it does to act in the moment of intuition. What's the remedy? We all ought to get better at understanding the rules of verbal reasoning. We need to study and practice the art of becoming better persuaders and influencers. Here are a couple of tips with which to start. Often, we are imprecise when we think about what is an additional cause for an argument and what is concurrent. For example, a welder turns up late to do a package of work, making that package late, and perhaps all others in the chain that go into completing the job. If the welder is present, though, but his tooling is not, that will be an additional cause for the package being late. No good persuading him to be more punctual if you can't get the tooling there on time. We call the absence of the tooling an additional cause for lateness because either of the tooling or the welder being late will make the package late. On the other hand, if the effect you're after is a weld of two pieces of steel, you need a welding rod, a source of electricity, and the parts you're going to weld together. Those are concurrent causes of our desired effect because if you absent any one of them, you would not have the result. That is the effect of a completed weld. Look out for additional causes to avoid the silver bullet trap. Know your concurrent causes to make sure your argument satisfies the needs of sufficiency for your desired effect. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.